Over the past 3 years, I've sent more than 10 million cold emails on behalf of myself and my clients, and the reason why most people are not getting results with cold email is because they're using the same templates that everyone else gives them. They just copy what they see online and expect it to work. You absolutely need to do some research, think for yourself, and get in the head of your ideal customer and figure out an angle that works for you. And guess what? Templates just don't do that. You need to have a methodology that can allow you to write cold emails on your own without copying somebody else. That's why in this video, I'm going to reveal my exact process of how I write cold emails live on camera that has generated millions of dollars for myself, my coaching program, Client Ascension, and my clients. So you can copy my methodology and start writing banger cold emails on your own. For the purpose of this video, I want to do cold emails for a tough offer in a tough niche. SEO for law firms. We all know SEO is saturated, and we all know that reaching out to law firms is a no-no in cold email, but I'm here to show you why it's not. First and foremost, if I'm writing a cold email script, I usually don't just dive right in. If I'm starting campaigns from scratch, I want to do research on my customer. What is the easiest way to do that? Well, my good friend ChatGPT takes a lot of the dirty work off my plate because I don't want to reach out to lawyers. I don't want to do customer research. I just want to get answers right away. And first and foremost, with SEO, I don't want to pitch leads to law firms. They get pitched leads nonstop. So what I want to do instead is ask ChatGPT what types of business clients my customer wants the most. When a lawyer wakes up in the morning, what type of client is he like, man, I wish I had more of these clients. It would make me a lot happier and put a lot more money in my pocket. I want to find that out so I can pitch it over an email and speak directly to them. How do I do that? All I'm going to do is say, hey ChatGPT, what types of clients do family law firms find most valuable? I'm doing customer research and I'm trying to see what types of clients I can pitch them. Is it divorce cases? I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what kind of cases are most valuable to them? Divorce and separation, child custody, spousal support, alimony, property division, prenup. I just got 20 angles I can test in a cold email. So let's see. What are the most valuable child custody cases? High conflict custody disputes. Right away, there's my angle. I'm going to test this. I can get you 10 more custody dispute cases per month. That's a really good angle because lawyers are used to leads, clients, but when they hear custody dispute, they're like, oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That's exactly who I'm looking for, and that's what we want to pitch. In the email, we're going to say, subject line, 10 extra custody dispute cases per month. I first name, and since I'm reaching out to a local business, I can personalize my email. You always want to personalize your email. So the subject line shows them why they should open it, or you can do quick question because it's the Go email opener and it works every single time. And if you don't think it works, you're lying to yourself because it works. The opener in your email should be very personalized to the person reading it. So I want to say, was looking for the top family law firms in city. I'll just say Tampa for this example, and landed on your site. You guys are doing incredible work. Okay, that's the opener. The guy's going to read that and say, oh yeah, I am doing incredible work. Thanks for the motivation and the kind words. Now we're going to say, reaching out because I can get you 10 more child custody dispute cases per month without spending a penny on ads. We recently did this for Tampa law firm and we can bring you similar results. Are you open to taking on more child custody cases? We're not even asking if they want a phone call, nothing. If a lawyer's like, oh, I've been struggling, it's a recession, I need more business, and they read this and the call to action is, do I want more child custody cases? I'm going to go, yes, tell me more. And then you get them on the phone and then you close the deal. But for the sake of the email, you just want to get them to say yes. And that is exactly what we're doing here. This is email 1. It's a bit long. I want to make a shorter one that's straight up, quick question, and we'll do the same opener, but now we're going to say, curious, are you able to take on an extra 10 child custody cases each month in the Tampa area? What do you think someone that wants more cases is going to say? Oh my God, I've been dying for more cases. Because when we did this research, we found that you can pitch child custody, contested divorce cases, property division, prenups. You can pitch all these different things in the email and you're not saying leads, clients, sales, because everybody else is pitching these boring ass things. We're going to pitch industry specific results, custody cases, divorce cases, alimony cases, things that lawyers say and speak about on a daily basis. So when they read the email, they're like, yeah, I would like an extra 10 child custody cases per month. Instead of, can you take on an extra 10 leads each month in the Tampa area? They're going to be like, leads. I hear leads all day. We don't want to talk about leads. We want to talk about cases because they're lawyers. That is my methodology. I don't care if you're reaching out to plumbers, SaaS founders, startups. Use ChatGPT, see what kind of language they speak, and then we'll do a follow-up here. If they don't answer the first email, they're going to get a follow-up. And everyone's like, I should completely switch up my messaging in the follow-ups. And I say that's so wrong. When you write your follow-ups, they should all be pretty similar to the first email. So following up here about helping you get 10 extra child divorce case or child custody cases on your desk each month without spending a penny on billboards or TV ads. You see what I'm doing here? I'm speaking their language. These guys are probably older. They don't do digital marketing. They do billboards and TV. If you meet people where they are at, they will answer. They will answer. They will understand it. They will want to hear more. We recently did this for Tampa Law, and we can help you too. Would you be open to learning more? It's that simple. Use ChatGPT to research, plug the specific vernacular that these people are using into your angles, and test a bunch of stuff until you find a winner, and that is how you write a good cold email. So that is my exact process for writing cold emails. Now that you know how to write cold emails, to actually start making money from it, you're going to need to know some technical things, like scraping leads using a tool called ListKit, setting up email domains, setting up the campaigns, handling replies, booking meetings, closing the deals on the phone. If you want to actually get results with cold email, there's a lot that goes into it, and luckily for you, my coaching program Client Ascension will show you how to add 10K to your business in the next 6 months, fully guaranteed in writing with a cold email acquisition system. We teach a lot more than cold email. We teach sales, operations, personal branding, mindset, hiring, everything you need to know about growing your business with cold email at the forefront. So if you want to learn how to add 10K to your business, fully guaranteed, and sign clients, hit the link in the description. You'll have a talk with our team and see if you're a good fit to join us. If you want to know absolutely everything you need to know about sending cold emails from A to Z on your own without joining my program, that's fine. In this video here, you'll learn everything you need to know about cold email. I reveal it all, everything I know. Why? Because I'm a nice guy, and just like a wise man once said, give away free shit that is better than most people's paid shit. So that's what I'm doing. Go watch that video. I'll see you on the next one. Drop a thumbs up, drop a subscribe. Love you.